Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to pay Prime Video subscription. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the Prime Video app. All right. It could be in your TV, your computer, or even in your phone. Okay. Just go ahead and go to My Stuff right here at the bottom right. Now go ahead and tap on the gear icon. Tap on it. Now in here, you'll be able to see My Account. All right. Just tap on it. Tap on Manage Account. Wait for it to load. Now in here, you will be able to see your active Prime Video subscription. If you have set it to auto renew, well, you don't have to do anything. But if you're trying to pay, or if you're trying to subscribe to a Prime Video, just go ahead and tap on Set Payment Method. Okay. Tap on it and enter your payment details. And once done, go ahead and hit on Save. And it says here, changes to your payment method apply to membership renewal and subscription charges. Okay. So go ahead and hit on Save. And once done, it will say here, update successfully. Just go back and just continue where you left. And after that, it will just automatically deduct to your saved payment method. Okay. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.